Hi, I'm Tom Lydon, editor of ETF Trends, here in Hollywood, Florida, the Inside ETF Conference, and I'm here with Rick Genoni from Legg Mason and Mike LaBella from QS Investors. Gentlemen, welcome.
Thanks, Tom.
Thank you.
You've got some exciting news. Just recently, Legg Mason, for the first time, got into the ETF business. Tell us about it.
Yeah, well, we've been seeing the growth in the industry also. At $2 trillion, it's hard to miss, right?
Right.
And clients are certainly seeing it also, and they're recognizing the benefits of that wrapper from a tax management standpoint, from lower trading costs, and the ability to trade intraday. And so while the mutual fund structure is something that our clients still value, we see a lot of opportunities also in this ETF wrapper. And so to that end, we've come out with 4 new strategies, all through QS Investors.
So QS is your partner, the sub-advisor on this suite of ETFs. Mike, tell us a little bit about QS, number one, and kind of the different approach you have to the strategy.
Great, well, QS is relatively new to the Legg family. We were acquired back in 2014. And we just saw a great excitement in looking to the ETF channel. We're taking institutional quality strategies that QS has been running for well over a decade into the ETF market, particularly to manage some client outcomes, whether that be managing volatility or dealing with macro risks better.
So talk about the 4 strategies, just name them briefly, and then what's your approach?
Sure, we have our diversified core suite, which is EDBI, UDBI, and DDBI, which is really based on looking at country and sector relationships and developing better core equity diversification. We then have a low volatility, high dividend strategy, which is a LVHD.
So they're all smart beta, right?
Yes.
And how often are they rebalanced?
Sure, so the core strategy all strategies are done on an annual reconstitution, followed by quarterly rebalances. Particularly the diversified core strategies, they really try to take care of long-term trends in the market rather than chase short-term movements.
Yeah. So big decision for Legg Mason. Again, you've got great relationships in the wirehouses and also the independents and then the institutional side. So Rick, they basically said to you, because I know you talked to them, yes, we're open to this.
Yeah, clients are looking for Legg Mason strategies and for us to bring the power of our asset management team to bear in the ETF wrapper. And QS was a natural fit for these first 4 strategies, but we expect to build that out and look towards some of the existing strategies that we have, as well as new strategies in this ETF wrapper.
So in the future, we're going to see Legg Mason ETFs almost managed by Legg Mason, but in addition, maybe other partnerships as well.
Certainly, absolutely, thank you.
That's great. Well, Mike, Rick, thanks so much for your time today. Congratulations on your entree into the ETF world.
Appreciate it, Tom.
Thank you.
Thanks.